This is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to share the cool tricks and tips for the camera of this device. So to start, I'm going to demonstrate that you can enter the Pro mode. The Pro mode is the camera option that allows you to, grant you with more manual control. For example, you can manually change the ISO value over here, change the shutter speed, manually, or set the shutter speed rather. You can, if the ISO is set to be automatic, you can also change the exposure value, focus distance, and white balance. So, long story short, as I've already told you, the Pro mode is simply more control over the photos that you shoot with the camera of this phone. The next option I wanted to share with you guys, you can enable it in the settings. It is called the leveler, or level rather, and it provides you with this little line that signals once you are tilting your device, and basically it allows you to make sure that you are shooting straight photos. So if you would like to always be sure that the pictures that you are about to make is aligned and horizontally aligned and straight, do not hesitate to turn on this switch. The next cool feature, or mode rather, that this camera provides you with is the microscope mode. You can access it by going into the more modes and going for the microscope. You can either zoom into 20 or 40 fold. So basically what it does, it allows you to take a very detailed macro images, or excuse me, or you can, you're not obliged to take those images, you can just use it as a real microscope. So take the object that you would like to see the very small details of. Make sure that the distance between your lens and the object is in the range of 4 to 6 millimeters, and as you can see, we can zoom into things and see the smallest little details that this object has. You can experiment with it and take maybe some leaf from the street and see very small bugs on it as well. I do not have anything that would be interesting to look under a microscope at, but as you can see, I'm microscoping my logo, or not mine, the HardReset logo, and as you can see, I can observe the very smallest details of it. So that's a very cool feature if you ask me. Just make sure to set proper distance, and you can see even the smallest details of the subject. And basically, the final tip that I wanted to share with you today is how you can manually adjust the brightness, or the camera brightness. So basically just tap anywhere, then touch and hold at this little sun icon and move the slider up or down, depending on whether you would like to make the preview brighter or dimmer or darker. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.